What's going on, guys? This is a SUI update video, August 24th, 2026. So if you are talking about SUI, if you're holding SUI, if you're thinking about it, one of the best layer ones historically, and in my opinion, a coin that we've been accumulating aggressively on its lows. A couple of questions you may have. Is the bottom in? In this video, we're going to look at the chart, exactly see where SUI flips 100% bullish. Of course, nobody can call the top or the bottom, but it looks like we've been buying pretty low bottoms. There is an elephant in the room in the SUI chart, which is all the way back in October 2025, and it's that manipulation candle. Now, is the market fully bullish? Yes, from a technical standpoint, we are above the 100-day moving average, and we are finding resistance at the 200-day. Although we didn't come all the way up, right? There is prior resistance here. This is going to be the 94, 95 cents area for SUI is going to be absolutely incredibly strong. And it's exactly where the price has found resistance going all the way back here. So that's where we stand right now. But as long as we stay above this golden line here, we are in bull market territory. Okay. Now there is a caveat. The world's largest market maker, Wintermute, is short in the market right now. Okay, so what you'll see here, look, entries of shorts, they are down obviously 900K on this. These are market makers, right? 700K XRP, they're in profit. They're short in Doge, High, Pump, SUI. Friggin' hell, they are in the red right now. But do not underestimate the level of commitment to this short. This is a massive short positions across altcoins. Okay, so while spot value still remains 18 million, per value 66 million, they are actively short in the market. Now, what do I think will happen to the market in the next couple of months? Well, I've never fully called in the bottom, because for me, in order to buy more SUI coins and ecosystem coins, first of all, ecosystem coins are pretty cheap. Let's agree to that, okay? You've got fundamentally strong cryptocurrencies within this ecosystem, still under micro cap value. You've got Walrus. This is their tech stack. This is the head. This is going to be the most critical project for SUI if they're going to do that storage, especially with AI. Then you've got obviously other projects in DeFi, the likes of D-Book, $34 million. So you are early to the network. Cetus protocol at 25 million, Blue AI at 15 million, and so forth. So it's an incredibly powerful ecosystem to really, really take advantage of. Look at Bluefin sitting all the way 80% of a penny at $4.7 million market cap. Okay. Lofi has never dipped below $3 million in this entire bear cycle. It's all the way there at $3.6 million. Absolutely incredible. It's just never went below that, which is crazy. So there are massive opportunities, in my opinion, when it comes to the SUI network. And the fact that now the KOLs are mostly out, okay, it's just few of us who talk about this particular network and what it means to potentially make millions of dollars here. My projection is I just only need a 10x in order to make incredible amount of money on my SUI average. Are you too late? Well, the chart is flipping bullish. It is above the 100-day, but if you look at this and zoom out, you really need to get above $1 to get out of the bear market resistance, right? So if you look at this, that 200-day moving average, ever since we dropped here in October, has been not only the resistance, the 100-day has been the key one, right? Pushing back. So the next target we need is to break above 98 cents and then claim above $1. And then you can kiss goodbye this whole downtrend, and it will be a great opportunity. If the market does reverse, the first point of support is this 100-day moving average. And then below that, the 50-day in the gold, and then the 20-day in the red. So it's still a long way to go. However, there were 3 opportunities over the last 12 months, 4 really, would you consider what we've done in this bear market, especially me being active here every single day, okay? So I had orders activated here, so I'm happy with my average. I bought here. So all this, we bought this, and then we bought that, and then I've got a large dollar amount sitting below this level here, should we ever visit this. Simple as that. With the coins that I accumulated being well over 100,000 coins, right, I'm under no pressure to either buy or to sell. But if you were buying right now, anything below $1 friggin' dollar, and then you average it across for your total bag, you're good. You're good to go. So in short, SUI has a lot of things going for it. Do not listen to people that tell you that these, of course, big caps don't really do well. Of course, they're going to do very well. And SUI still remains one of the most incredible technologies that I use on a day-to-day basis for stablecoin transfers, because this is an instant hit. This stuff will instantly hit your wallets. I love using their DeFi, of course. And one of my community members was saying earlier yesterday, big up to my brother who reported this, the Slush wallet has issues. Sometimes the API endpoints play up, so you panic and you don't really see your balances across. And I'd say if you are holding SUI, unless you're doing DeFi or swapping tokens in the Slush wallet, put this in a Ledger or a Tangent or a OneKey, okay? Put this into cold storage. Don't mess about here. This is the people's coin. This is the most retail friendly, although Solana seems to be still holding its lead in terms of the retail friendliness. But this is a retail friendly, super speedy cryptocurrency that will allow you to have ZK login, so you don't need to worry about seed phrases, and you can do DeFi and other things in there. I think this should be the one that goes like a Facebook, since being built by an ex-Meta team. It should be adopted massively, but we know it only works on seasonalities, and there will be a SUI season. Are you prepared for that? So I hope you liked the video. Smash a like, of course. As always, subscribe to the channel. This is no BS take on what I believe to be one of the best cryptocurrencies, currently offering you its entire ecosystem for peanuts. But just don't stop acting to crypto news, because at the end of the day, things bottom a year after the top, and things go melting up a year after the halving. So we're neither here or there. We're almost at the end of the bear market, but anything can happen in crypto. So be prepared for these scammers, these market makers that are shorting the markets to also have a say. Okay, everyone is bullish until everybody gets wiped out. Leverage is the biggest cancer to crypto. But stay tuned to the channel. Of course, as always, it takes nothing for you to hit the like button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.